Good morning friend. Today we are going to discuss about percentage of solution. Percent of solution, how to calculate the percentage of solution, the concentration of solution in macroscopic property with respect to amount of solute dissolved in unit amount of solvent of solution. एक unit amount of solute is dissolved into unit amount of solvent. It gives your percentage into 100. It gives your percentage. The percent concentration of solution is commonly expressed as a value weight by volume or mass by volume. For example, 5% weight by volume NaCl. Firstly, convert 5% into gram by divided by 100. It gives 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.05 gram. Therefore, 0.05 gram into 100 is equal to 5 gram NaCl in 100 ml gives 5% solution. This is the 5% solution. Percent by volume. Percent by volume. Concentration. Formula for the calculation of volume of percentage. Weight of solute in gram upon volume of solution in ml into 100. For example, 5 gram NaCl in 100 ml solution. Calculate the percentage value. 5 upon 1000 it gives 0.05, whereas 0.05 into 100 is 5% volume of percentage in solution. There is formula weight of solute in gram upon volume of solution in ml into 100. It gives your percentage of solution. Percentage by weight. Here there is weight, percentage of weight by weight of solute upon total weight of solution into 100. Suppose to be this is you have to give the formula, the weight and weight is given. In that cases you have to use weight of solute upon total weight of solution into 100. For example, what is the percentage of mass solution in that contain 20 gram of glucose in 200 gram of solution. Solution for mass of glucose is given 20 gram. Total mass of solution is 200 gram of solution. Therefore, 20 upon 200 is equal to 0.1. 0 is equal to 0.1 into 100. It gives 10% weight by weight. This is the calculation for the weight by weight. Whenever there is given both the cases, solute is in weight as well as solution in weight. In that cases, you have to use the weight of solute upon total weight of solution into 100. In that case, next percent by weight. Next percent by volume. Percent by volume is equal to volume of solute upon total volume of solution into 100. How will you prepare 200 ml of 60% weight volume by volume rubbing alcohol given percent volume 60%, total volume is 200 ml. Putting value into formula 60 upon 10 100 mg is equal to 0.6. Therefore 0.6 into 200 is equal to 120 ml. Therefore 120 ml alcohol required to make a rubbing alcohol. So percent by volume. Whenever there is given by volume upon volume, volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100, it gives percent by volume. Then we will discuss about the molarity. Molarity is the number of mole of solute in exactly 1 liter of solution. 1 mole solution exactly in 1 liter of solution, it gives your molarity, 1 molarity, and it is represented by capital M. It is represented by M. Suppose to be take an example of 1 mole upon 1 liter is equal to gives you 1 mole solution. Molarity is calculated using equation molarity mole of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Example 1 mole solution 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 molar solution. In molality is the number of mole of solute dissolved in exact 1 kilogram of solvent. There is 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Therefore 1000 gram of solvent, it gives 1 mole of solution. Molality mole of solute upon volume of solvent in 1 kilogram. Example, 1 mole is equal to molar solution is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 mole solution. Mole fraction, how to analyze mole fraction? If we are supposed to be the concentration containing the three content, that is A, B, C, you have to calculate the percentage of A. आता जर असं सोल्युशन असेल ज्यामध्ये A, B, C कंटेंट असते, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला एका A चे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काढायचं. इन दॅट केसेस यू हॅव टू यूज द मोल फ्रॅक्शन calculation formula. We need to know the number of mole of each component present in the solution. Each component किती present आहे, that you have to learn this according to mole fraction you can calculate. The mole fraction of component A XA is solution consisting of component A, B, C calculated using equation XA is equal to mole of A upon mole of A plus mole of B plus mole of C. To calculate the mole of fraction B, XB uses XB is equal to mole of B upon mole of A plus mole of B plus mole of C. This is the equation. In that equation, putting the value, you getting the mole fraction of desired strain. What is the percentage of strain? Volume by volume mill alcohol mixture 300 mg. तो खाली चालू Then proof split. Today we discuss proof split. Spirit is alcohol beverage which produced by the distillation of alcohol. The difference between alcohol and spirit is that strength of the spirit is measured by the amount of alcohol they contain. आता ते स्पिरिट कसं बनवतात? देयर इज आफ्टर डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल इट गिव्स स्पिरिट. स्पिरिटचं अल्कोहोलचं डिस्टिलेशन केल्यानंतर मिळतं स्पिरिट. आणि डिफरन्स बिटवीन द अल्कोहोल अँड स्पिरिट इज देयर इज स्ट्रेंथ प्रेझेंट इन द अमाऊंट ऑफ अल्कोहोल दे कंटेन. अमाऊंट ऑफ अल्कोहोल किती प्रेझेंट आहे इन गिवन स्ट्रेंथ, त्याला म्हणतात स्पिरिट. We are also alcohol can made by fermentation, whereas spirit can be made by distillation. Fermentation alcohol मिळवतो आणि spirit आपण distillation पासून. But spirit is made from distillation. Spirit mainly consists of ethanol and very strong beverage. It containing the ethanol and which has a very strong beverage as compared to alcohol. Spirit is stronger than alcohol. But the spirit made from distillation, spirit mainly consists of ethanol and very strong beverage. The term original used in the United Kingdom as was equal to about 1.75 times alcohol by volume (ABV). The UK now uses ABV standard instead of alcohol proof. They are in UK. They are using the instead of 1.71 proof spirit instead of alcohol by volume. In India and UK, there is 57.1 volume by volume or 49% 28 weight by weight ethanol is taken as a proof strength in 100 ml. Where there is in 100 ml 57.1 volume by volume and 49.28 weight by weight ethanol present in the 100 ml gives one gives proof spirit. Proof spirit, that mixture of alcohol and water. Wherever there is a proof spirit, nothing but the mixture of water and ethanol. Which at 5010 farad weight 12 upon 13th of equal volume water. The density of proof spirit 12 upon 13 density of water 51 farad is equal to 0.923 gram per ml. Therefore 100 degree proof alcohol is equal to 57.1% volume by volume alcohol. Alcohol of other percent strain said to be overproof OP and below the proof is called as a BP or UP, depending on whether they contain the more or less than 50%. If 50% alcohol present, below 50% underproof, over the 50% gives overproof. Example, take an example how to calculate proof strength 65% volume by volume and 35% volume by volume alcohol. there is solution. 1% alcohol is equal to 1.75 proof spirit. Therefore, 65 volume by volume alcohol is equal to how much spirit? 65 into 1.75 is equal to 113.75 proof. Therefore, proof strength 113.75 minus 100 gives 13.75. Below 50 figure gives up under proof. 1% alcohol is equal to 1.75 proof spirit. 35 into 1.75 is equal to 61.25 proof. Therefore, strength 61.25 minus 100 gives minus 38.75. It is also under proof. This is regarding upon the proof spirit.